Welcome to this video exploring the first rupee of Republic India, focusing on the 1950 definitive series coinage. The introduction of this coin marked a new era in sovereignty for India, transitioning from a colonial legacy to national identity. After independence in 1947, India initially used British frozen series coinage until 1950. The 1950 rupee was a critical step, replacing the king's portrait with the lion capital of Ashoka. This transition was significant in asserting India's economic and symbolic independence. Regarding technical specifications, the 1950 rupee was struck in 100% pure nickel, improving durability and resisting silver price increases. It weighs 11.7 grams, has a diameter of 27.9 millimeters, and is round. The obverse features the Ashoka Lion Capital, adopted as the state emblem in 1950. The inscription, quote, "Government of India," signifies the shift from royal authority to democratic governance. The reverse displays the numeral 1, flanked by 2 ears of wheat, symbolizing agricultural prosperity. The denomination is written in both Devanagari and English, alongside the year of mintage. Looking at the production summary, the 1950 issue from Mumbai featured a diamond mint mark, while Calcutta's inaugural series had none. The 1954 issues marked the final year of the pure nickel round series. Annual mintage volumes peaked in the early 1950s to satisfy the high demand for the new currency. Security features include a complex security edge to prevent, quote, clipping. Being pure nickel, the coin is strongly magnetic, which aids in checking authenticity. Multiple die varieties exist, popular among numismatists. The 1950 Mumbai issue had a massive reported mintage of over 19 million units. Despite the high volume, high-grade, uncirculated specimens are difficult to find due to nickel's tendency to lose luster. From a collector's perspective, condition matters, with original mint luster commanding high premiums. The coin represents the anchor of modern Indian numismatic collections and is the final phase of round rupees before decimal coinage. Thank you for watching this video on the first rupee of Republic India, issued between 1950 and 1954. Here are the image sources used in this video.